Unveiling Respected, a deep dive into a powerful English adjective. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to uncover the layers of a word we often hear and use, respected. It's a word that carries weight and significance in every conversation. Whether you're in a business meeting, at a conference, or even watching award shows, respected is a term that commands attention. But what does it really mean? Let's explore this together. And I guarantee you'll come away with not only a deeper understanding of the word but also the confidence to use it effectively in your daily English communication. Respected is an adjective, which means it's used to describe a noun, typically a person. When we say someone is respected, we're not just talking about them being liked or known. We're saying they are admired by others for their qualities or achievements. It's a recognition that they have earned the esteem of their peers, colleagues, or society at large. Imagine a teacher who has dedicated years to educating children with passion and integrity. This teacher is not just good at their job, they are respected for their contribution to society. Respect is not given lightly. It's earned through consistent actions, ethical behavior, and excellence. Understanding the context is crucial for using respected correctly. It's a versatile word and can be applied in different scenarios. Professional respect. In a professional context, being respected often relates to one's expertise and conduct in the workplace. A respected lawyer, for example, is someone acknowledged for their knowledge, skills, and fair practice. Cultural respect. On a cultural level, respected individuals are often those who have contributed significantly to the arts, sciences, or humanitarian efforts. They've made an impact that resonates with a wide audience and often transcends time. Personal respect. On a personal note, being respected can also be about moral character. A respected member of the community may be someone known for their honesty, kindness, and altruism. It's also worth mentioning that respected can be used in passive constructions. For instance, she is respected by her colleagues, indicates that the respect comes from the colleagues towards the person in question. To broaden your usage of respected, let's look at some common phrases. Highly respected. This phrase amplifies the level of respect the individual commands. Well respected. Similar to highly respected, it underscores the good reputation of a person. Respected figure. Often used to describe someone who is an authority or has a significant presence in a particular field or community. Respected for. This is followed by the specific reason why someone is respected, such as, respected for her research in astrophysics. Being respected has a profound impact on individuals and communities. It fosters a positive environment where people feel valued and motivated. For the person who is respected, it can be both humbling and empowering, often driving them to continue their commendable work. It's also important to note that respect is not static. It requires continuous effort and integrity to maintain a respected status. It's an ongoing process of actions and behaviors that reaffirm one's reputation. Understanding and using the word respected is about recognizing the value and achievements of oneself and others. We hope this exploration has not only taught you about the word but also inspired you to strive for the kind of excellence that earns respect. Remember, respect is earned, and being respected is a testament to a person's impact on the world around them. Thank you for watching, and may your path in learning English lead you to both respect and be respected.